How to set screen time rules on your child's computer. Visit ht-vector.com. Click on Products and select HT Family Shield. Download HT Family Shield. Install the app on your child's computer or laptop. Open the app, create an account, and complete the setup. After that, you're ready to manage everything remotely. From any device, open a browser and go to family.ht-vector.com. Log in using the account you created. Go to Rules, Screen Time. Set daily or weekly limits by adjusting computer usage limit to control the total screen time allowed. Or create a schedule using the weekly calendar, marking restricted times in red. You can use either option or combine both for flexible control. Choose whether the computer logs out or shuts down when time runs out. Setup is complete. HT Family Shield is an all-in-one parental control and digital wellness solution. You can track computer activity, block inappropriate content, set limits on specific sites and apps, and much more. HT Family Shield provides everything you need to create safe, balanced screen time habits for your child and protect them online. Start your free trial today. Gain peace of mind and help your child build positive screen time habits with ease.